So now topic is segment overriding. So before going to segment overriding, so we will discuss so what are the default registers are added to the different segment registers, right? So for a data segment, so offset address can be directly added to the DS, or offset address can be present in BX register or SI register. These two registers are added to the DS register by default, or by default offset address directly is added to the DS register only, right? That is in case of data segment. For in case of extra segment, so offset address must be present in the DA register. DA register is always added to the ES register to produce the physical address, right? For stack segment, to generate the physical address in the stack segment, offset address can be present in SP register or PP register. These registers are added by default to the SS register. So IP register is always added to the CS register to produce the physical address of the instruction bytes. So this is about default association of various registers with segment registers. Right. Now coming to the segment overriding means, instead of using default register with a particular segment, we can use register for any register, any segment register. Suppose here, so by default BX SI registers are used with DS register by default, right? If I want to use BX register extra segment, right? So in that case, what you have to write here, you have to put ES colon BX, ES colon BX. So what happened? Offset address present in BX is added to the extra segment. After padding 0, it will produce real address, physical address. From that physical address, whatever data is there, that data is transferred to the AL. So that is move AL comma ES colon BX. Here BX is overridden. BX is overridden. Right? Suppose move AL comma BXC here. So BX is having offset address of the data that is added to the DS register. After padding 0, it will produce the physical address of data in the data segment. So that data is copied to the AL. Right? So if you use a BX, it is completely related to data segment. If you want to override this one, you have to put ES. So this is over segment overriding, right? So instead of using default segmentation registers, we can use interested registers by putting the name of the segment register before the register in this way. Simply you have to write segment register colon. That's all. Automatically, so this register having offset address is added to the extra segment. If you write SS, that is added to the extra segment, stack segment. You can put any name if you want to like. Here, put the name of the segment and colon. So in this way you can override the segment override. This way you can do segment overriding.